Hi you guys, I'm back with my December Planner Perfect art journal flip through, and I made this little charm to put on it. It has like a little bullnose clip with like a little split key ring and then this little hook, and it has all kinds of beads and bell and charms and different things for the holidays. I'm going to go ahead and move this to the side. And then this is just a little tea bag. I got a set of David's tea in holiday flavors, and then I've just been drinking them, and I was using them for pockets in my journal. It's like a little piece of ephemera from a cat toy that I bought. And then this was from a advent calendar. It's like a self-striping yarn advent, and it had 2 skeins of self-striping yarn, and then you knitted them. I thought since I had this in here that I would just show you what they look like. So this is one of the skeins of yarn. I have 2 of them that look like this. And then I had been working on knitting them into fingerless mitts. And I know this is not a knitting channel, but I thought you might want to see. This is one of the finished mitts. And I love how it turned out. It's so pretty. So that's what this was. And I also have a knitting channel that I'm going to put a makes video on when I get enough makes together. I can link that channel up above if you like, if you want to go check it out. And then this is just another one of the tea bag pockets that I made with some more ephemera in it. And this was just another little cat toy tag that I got. I like how she turned out. She's cute. And then this was just a little Happy Mail note that I got in something that I ordered. Looks like I didn't write anything on that. And then we went to a little cat shelter. It was actually a dog and cat shelter, and we got 2 little baby kitties. And this is just what they look like when they came home. They were scared and hiding. And then I went to a winter market tree lighting in a local town kind of near where I live. This was a hot chocolate bar that we had at work. And this was another, like a secret stocking trade thing that we did at work. I like how this guy turned out. And this one. And this, we had a Christmas cookie exchange at work. And then these are just some little tags. And this is a playing card that I just decorated. And then I made some sweet potato soup, And then I put the recipe in here. Just so I could remember. I got it off of a YouTube video. But like I took a screenshot of it and just printed it. And then this, I went to a Chris Kindle market in the city that night. These are just directions on how to get to the Chris Kindle market, and then directions for Trader Joe's, like the address, so that I could put it in my phone. I like how she turned out, except for her eyes are a little weird. And then I just wrote down my favorite drink that I've been liking lately, an oat milk chai, gingerbread oat milk chai, hot. I really like that. It tasted yummy. On this day, I got like a bead organizer, and I organized all my beads. I can show it to you just real quick if you're interested in seeing what it looks like. It's a lot. This is what it looks like, and it has all different colors of beads inside of it, all organized together. I like her. She's so cute. I like how that tag turned out. And I like him. He's really cute. Purple bear. This was a gift tag on one of my gifts. This was from some wrapping paper. And this is just a little tag that I made. And then I clipped it on with this little paper clip with a light bulb, little Christmas tree. I like these kitties. And then these are just some other little, this was a gift tag. And And then this was the tag that was clipped on, and it doesn't have anything inside of it. I just put like a little piece of paper that I could journal on. I don't believe I journaled on it. It has a pocket, just like that. And I clipped it in. And that's it. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.